Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to change a Facebook page name. So I'm gonna do this tutorial on Chrome, but it works exactly the same way on mobile device, both on iPhone or Android. So I'm gonna take as an example this Facebook page right here that I created for the YouTube channel. So in order to change our Facebook name, in our case from DAO to HOW, we need to go on the page on Facebook, and then on the left side we need to scroll down until we see settings, click on it, and then here we see page info. If we click on it, then we can edit the name and the username as well as the description, but this is what we are most interested in. So if we change the page from this, we can either add something like official, then we just go ahead and click anywhere outside the box, and it's gonna ask us to confirm the name change request. Once we click request change, it should be always very fast, a couple of minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know, sometimes it says 3 to 7 days, but it never happened to me personally. It always took literally like 2 minutes and I will get a Facebook notification with the Facebook page name request approved. So I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't want to change it, but this is how you change a Facebook page name.